Find f prime of x for f of x equals 8e to the 7x minus 4. So to differentiate this function, what we need to work with is the derivative with respect to x of a function e, which has an exponent, like this. The first thing to keep in mind is the base e exponential function. It is its own derivative. So the first part of the answer will include e to the 7x minus 4. But that's not the whole story. The problem is, this exponent is a bit more complex than just an x. If it were just an x, we would be done. But because it is some function of x, what we need to do next is multiply by the derivative of that function. So the 8 I will leave to the side, because you can always disregard constant multipliers while you're doing your derivatives of functions. And then I have e to the 7x minus 4, and then I multiply by the derivative of the exponent, which is 7. And this is a perfectly fine answer, but it might look a little nicer if we went ahead and multiplied those two constants together. And it would also make it a bit easier to type into the answer box. Now, if you have trouble typing this in, just remember the system, it does recognize the constant e, so you can just type the lowercase e for that. But to get exponents, of course, you need to use the caret key. And because there is an exponent where two things are added or subtracted, you need to make sure you put that exponent in parentheses. So this is what it would look like as you type it into your answer box. But this is what it's interpreted as.